Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. So today here I'm going to show you how to add any Binance Smart Chain token into Metamask wallet. So as you can see here, I am on the Ethereum mainnet, so I need to switch to Binance Smart Chain. So if you don't see this on your networks, please watch the previous video. I have explained how to connect and add Binance Smart Chain into your Metamask wallet. So after you have it, click on it. So to add any token that is on the Binance Smart Chain, click add token, and as you can see here it requires us the token contract address. Okay, to get the contract we need to go to this website coingecko.com and choose the token that you want. Let's say cake, for example, and choose it and head to contract, and as you can see here is the contract. Click to copy and paste. As you can see, the rest gets filled automatically. Click next and add token and click here, and as you can see here it is. There is an easier way and simpler way than doing this manually. You can do it automatically by just going back to here, and let's choose another currency here. Let's choose USDT. The simpler and the fastest way to do it is just by clicking add to MetaMask. But as you can see here it says error. Why? Because this one here is a contract that you can add only on Ethereum network. So how you can get the Binance Smart Chain contract is going to here, these three dots, and as you can see here is the Binance chain. So you just need to click on add to MetaMask and add token, and let's check, and here it is. It's way simpler than doing it manually. So this is the video. I hope you like it. Drop a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.